Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be cleaning up our outside play area, and I am also going to be sharing with you guys my favorite way to get your kids' energy out outside, get them moving and having fun so that they take a nice long nap. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to let you know how grateful I am for you and how much I appreciate you being part of the Epic Egbert family. I make videos about homemaking and basically anything mom life. And if you're not already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing and turning on notifications. I have a bunch of really exciting videos planned for this summer and basically the rest of this year. Check out the description box. I'm gonna put links in there for all our favorite stuff that I showed you guys today. If you have a question about something that I did not put a link in for, just go ahead and leave me a comment and I will either let you know where I got it or find a link for you. So I hope this video helps you guys, and these ideas are lifesavers for your family because right now we gotta stick together and help inspire each other. So I appreciate your feedback and I am excited about today. I can't wait to share today's video with you guys, so let's get into it and have some fun. As you can see, this place needs cleaned up, so we're gonna do that today. I'm just going to start off by picking everything up and putting it in its home. I have a bunch of really inexpensive, easy organization things that I put out here. I can't wait to show you guys. This is one of those crawl through tunnel. I got this at a garage sale. I think it was like $2. I can't wait until our stay-at-home order is over and hopefully it's safe to go out to garage sales again, because that is a huge passion of mine, is garage selling. I absolutely love it. Make sure you hang out till the end of the video. I am going to share with you the best way to get your kids' energy out that I have found. It works so well. I literally use this every single day. Basically the only days that I have not used this were on a couple of our rainy days. I am going through and just sorting things out. I got this laundry basket from the Dollar Tree and all of my other organization bins out here as well. I got either from the Dollar Tree or garage sales. I'm sorting all the toys and putting them in their proper category. I have a water table, so some things are going in a bin for that. I have all our cars, construction vehicles, traffic cones, all that kind of stuff is going in one bin. Then I have another bin for things like shovels, little rakes, small buckets. I got these baskets at the Dollar Tree and I just used a 1.5-inch screw, screwed partially in so that the screw pokes out about an inch. So I can easily take these Dollar Tree baskets with handles and pop them on and off depending on what we're playing with. I have different types of toys in different bins and I love that it keeps everything really organized. I have one bin full of toys that we use in our kiddie pool, one that goes with our Aqua Play set. My kids absolutely love that thing. I ended up getting another one, which is a Aqua Play mountain play set that I will be building and sharing with you guys in a later video. I am going to do my best to link everything I can in the description below. If there's anything that you're curious about that you saw in our outdoor area that I did not link, just go ahead and comment and I will definitely either find a link for you guys or let you know where I got it. I love getting my kids out in the fresh air, moving, running around. So I definitely have put a lot of thought and effort into our outside area just so that it is a super fun, inviting area so that my kids want to go outside, want to get and play, dig around, and just be a kid. I love the Dollar Tree's bins. I use them for organization and sorting laundry all over my house. They are actually really well made. I can't believe they're only $1. And I just love using them so that everything has a home to go to and it just makes organizing really easy. When things are easier, it makes it a lot more fun. Here's a tip. Secure your outdoor decorations with a zip tie. I use zip ties to secure pretty much all my decor outside, and it works really well. It protects all your beautiful decorations from being blown over by the wind. Everything besides my fabric decorations I left out through the winter in this area. And we get some pretty strong winds, and because they're secured with zip ties, nothing blew over and was damaged or got broken. Another fun thing that I really love about this area is some of these picture frames that I found at garage sales, free piles, Goodwill, different places like that, so I could get them cheap. And I use spray paint to make them bright, fun colors that all match, and then I zip tied them to the wire that is surrounding our outside area. I love the way it looks. It adds color and fun without having to go through a big labor-intensive paint job, which I was considering until I thought of this picture frame idea, and I'm so glad I did because it saved me not just time but money as well. I'll be your light. Pea gravel in this area last year. My kids absolutely love digging in it, building little hills for their cars, scooping it into buckets. I definitely feel like pea gravel versus something like sand was the right choice for us because it is very clean, fun, and it's soft on your feet. My little helper Emily loves to help clean, whether it's vacuum or wipe stuff down, put things in the laundry. She loves to help. This is that Aqua Play set that I was telling you guys about, which is really cool. I got another one this year that has a mountain that has really good reviews because the boat can kind of splash down the mountain. So I'm excited to build that one for my kids, and I will film that so you guys can see what it turns out like and how fun these things are. Something I find that is really helpful is having tables at your child's level called a play table, train table. They give you somewhere to store extra toys underneath, and it gives them a really nice surface to let their imaginations go and really get into some good creative play. This is some of the fabric decor that I had binned up that I'm just rehanging now that the weather's getting nicer. I went with kind of a Moroccan boho feel. I love that the boho style is just full of color and fun. It just feels so fitting for our outside area. As I was cleaning, my kids were having some fun in their pool, so now we are just picking up the last of our pool toys. These dollar store baskets, again, are just wonderful, especially for things like pool toys, because they have holes in them and easily drain. This makes it really easy and contains all that fun stuff. I mentioned this in one of my other videos, we have a hot water spigot outside, which we absolutely love. So I can put a mix of hot and cold water to make a very comfortable pool. It was a really nice day out, but sometimes it can still get a little cold if your water's freezing. My husband wanted to do that when we moved into our house, and I have been appreciative ever since. It was definitely something I'm glad we did. I love having a fun outside area. It just draws you outside and gets you in the mood to be active and have fun together as a family.
You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
I'm going to share with you guys the best thing that I have found to get your kids' energy out. I have tried a ton of different things, especially since we've had our stay-at-home order for going on a couple months now. This has been the best way. My little kids, my youngest is 1.5, and my oldest little kid is 4 years old. I also have a 15-year-old, but getting out energy for him isn't quite such a task. This gets them running and moving around like like nothing else I have been able to find besides going to the park and playing with other kids. It is just an absolute lifesaver. I hope it helps you guys out. It is a bubble machine. We literally use our bubble machine almost every day. It is that important to my kids as well as my own peace of mind, well-being, all that stuff. This is by far our favorite bubble machine though. It is our go-to. It just makes so many bubbles that it feels so fun and my kids can't stop chasing them. I hope this tip helps you in this crazy time we're all in together.
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Like the video, make sure to leave me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much and I definitely appreciate every single like I get. I hope this video brought you a little bit of joy and inspiration and gives you a little bit of hope, and if you try some of these ideas out, let me know. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.
Wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.